Hello everyone, welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari, and in this video I have come up with a very exciting job opportunity for all of you, which is from mPokket. If you are new to this channel, kindly go through the content of the channel. You will definitely love it, as apart from off-campus videos, we give placement guidance videos also. So for now, without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, this is the application portal of mPokket, and the link of the job I will give you in the description. You can apply it from there. Here I will tell you what is the job profile, the location, the eligibility criteria, the skills required, the application procedure, and at last I'll tell you what is the CTC which is offered by mPokket for this position. So here you can see that the position is PHP Developer Fresher, and the location will be Bengaluru. It is a full-time role with 0 years of experience. Here is some basic information about mPokket. You can read it out. mPokket is a mobile app-based leading platform showing tremendous growth. We are building a small but capable team of sharp engineers and would like you be a part of our journey. Here they have clearly mentioned that you should have completed BTech in either 2020 or 2021. So this opportunity is for these two batches only. And the skills required are: you should be a detail-oriented person who is eager to learn and is passionate about developing softwares, proven success in contributing to a team-oriented environment, proven ability to work creatively and analytically, and excellent leadership and communication skills, both written and oral, and interpersonal skills as well. So coming to the application procedure, you have to click on this apply for this job button. Also, it is a request from my side, kindly subscribe to the channel for regular off-campus job updates and also for placement guidance. So coming back to the form, click on this, you will be redirected to this page. Here, upload your CV, write your first name, your last name, your gender, email ID, mobile number, upload your documents like 10th, 12th and mark sheets, your experience if you have, your current salary if you are working somewhere, your expected salary, and your availability in days. And have you been referred by mPokket employee? If you have a referral, kindly fill the referral here, and if you don't have, write any. Add experience details here and education details here and click on this apply button. Then you are good to go. Now coming to the CTC which is offered by mPokket for this position. So it varies from 6 to 10 LPA, so at a bare minimum you can expect 6 LPA for this position, which I believe is a very good opportunity for freshers. So apply for this opportunity right now. All the very best and thank you.